but professionally my life has turned upside down. I mean, this has really been something that even I didn't expect. If I would have had the reception like let's say 5% of this, that would have been like the world for me. मैं उनको पहली बार सेट पे देखा, for me it was like I am looking at 1,000 different characters. It was like a Vishnu avatar for me. कि ये कुछ मतलब मैं साथ में वो देख रहा हूँ. And if I say about the craft, then he is a magician. I mean, he has so many tricks in his bag that, oh my god, that if this is done by trained professionals, so unless and until you have a backup job, please do not try this stunt at your office. So hi, this is Kaustubh Kumar. You're watching me on Bollywood Hungama. Do subscribe.
Kaustubh, welcome on Bollywood Hungama.
Hello. Hi Faridu.
And the world knows Kaustubh as the boss that Manoj Bajpayee really likes in the Family Man season 2. Pleasure having you with us on Bollywood Hungama. So, Kaustubh, what exactly is the minimum guy?
Well, I believe as the creators of the show have said that it's basically wrong English, because don't be a minimum guy can't be grammatically proper. So Raj sir and DK sir had this idea that they wanted to come up with a phrase they wanted to coin for all these motivational talks in office and all the pep talks. So They were searching, but one day writers and director and everyone, they came up with this phrase, and they just made it don't be a minimum guy. The same way they had made one of the phrase in Go Goa Gone, which was not said by that person, and his photo was there. So the same way they came up with don't be a minimum guy. And they wanted something quirky, basically. So it has that quirky element in it, where the boss is expecting the employee to do everything and not leave even one activity in the office unattended, even if it is somebody's birthday or anything. So don't be a minimum guy, do maximum you can, maybe above it. So that's where it came from.
He was an absolute control freak, right?
Yeah, he was. He wanted to, because he was monitoring every single employee like that.
And each time there are scenes between him and Manoj Bajpayee, it's like it's absolutely hilarious. The exasperation on the face of Manoj Bajpayee is next level, and your job is to make him irritated, right?
It was my character's job basically was to not to irritate him. Actually, he also has his own point of view where he's like, don't waste your time in office, don't do personal things in office if you have joined it. So I played that character with full conviction that this is what it is, and this is what my motivation in life is all about. Is all about work. And then we also thought of him as that instead of irritating, it is more of that he is also young, but now he has reached to that position at such a young age that he wants to establish his control. So now he tries different gimmicks. So one of them could be, copying from some movie. One of them could be copying a quote from a book. So that's how we try to amalgamate it with the don't be a minimum guy phrase.
All right. And the expressions that the boss gives is that of Mr. Know-all. That I've already achieved so much in life, and look at you, you know nothing. And then you have an age problem. The average age of people around you is much younger than you. How do you cope with them? So it is, I think, everything that ideally a good boss should not do in terms of demotivating someone. So and that's what this guy is doing.
Because it's a case study. Uska jo motivation hai, that all is coming from trying to establish control. So he has the knowledge of the field, but he doesn't know how to handle people. That's why he's trying these gimmicks. And that's why he ends up doing something that one should not do to motivate somebody. So, yeah.
Okay, so that scene of you and Manoj Bajpayee in the conference room, there are so many people who are saying that it's the best scene of this show. This is us taking out our boss.
Yeah.
Have you heard that?
Yeah, I've heard that, sir. But when we were shooting it, I mean, all of this reaction feels very surreal. We never expected that this will go to such length where everybody will connect with it. Across the industries, across the professions, across everything. And when we were shooting it, we were just shooting that from Shrikant's character's perspective, that boss, he wants to leave the office and he wants to be free, because now this is it. Enough is enough. He has done it for a year and it didn't work out. So we had only that motivation. So whenever I hear this reaction, that now everybody is connecting with it, it's kind of surreal, to be honest. I mean, makers must have had that thought in mind, but I at least didn't expect that it will go to such proportions where everybody will say that, मतलब मुझे भी जो messages आते हैं, in those messages also people are like, this is what we want to do to our boss. And I was like, please don't try this because I don't want people to have this motivation. So yeah, I mean, there was this funny meme also about this, that if this is done by trained professionals, so unless and until you have a backup job, please do not try this stunt at your office. So it was pretty funny.
You know, his expressions
Hmm.
when he's not saying anything, but just when he's looking. You know, when Manoj Bajpayee and Share Bajmi, they're talking in the office, then they're having a short casual meeting, and he just turns up. You know, he's omnipresent.
Hmm.
And the way he's looking at Manoj Bajpayee, it's like that of a class monitor
Yeah.
who's all set to complain to the teacher or the principal. So that is the expression that he's having.
Correct.
It's hilarious.
Yeah, even I was pretty surprised when the blocking was being done. So we started with the first scene, and in that first scene only, my instructions from the director were just walk in on him and catch him like by surprise. That he doesn't expect कि यार ये अभी आने वाला है, but he suddenly pops up. So that's how we wanted to keep it, just like as you said, like a class monitor. कि उसको बराबर पता होता है और वो टीचर को बता भी देगा. तो वो वाला motivation we had kept there.
So how has life changed for you post June 4th?
Personally speaking, I'm very grateful that my life has not changed much. I still have the same problems, same everything that I was doing. But professionally, my life has turned upside down. I mean, this has really been something that even I didn't expect. If I would have had the reception, like let's say 5% of this, that would have been like the world for me. But this, what I'm seeing right now, the messages, the DMs, mails, calls, I really want to go and literally hold everyone's hand and thank them. But unfortunately, I can't do that in current situation. But I am immensely grateful for the kind of response and the admiration and the fun the audience is showing. But at the same time, so personally speaking, my friends, my family, they are really helping me through this time. This looks like this is not like a tough time or anything, but this has been so overwhelming also at the same time that I don't know who's called to answer, what to do, whom to talk, what. So all of this is happening at the same time. So it is immensely gratifying and overwhelming, both.
Experience of working with Manoj Bajpayee.
What do I say here? Well, sir, ऐसा होता है कि बचपन से आपका एक ख्वाब होता है और आप चाहते हो कि आप उस इंसान के साथ काम करो जिसको आपने बचपन से देखा है, हर कैरेक्टर अलग अलग तरीके से प्ले करते हुए देखा है, रादर आपने बिलीव किया है कि वो इंसान वो कैरेक्टर है. तो ऐसे जब होता है, तो जब मैं उनको पहली बार सेट पे देखा, फॉर मी इट वाज लाइक आई एम लुकिंग एट 1000 डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स. इट वाज लाइक अ विष्णु अवतार फॉर मी, कि ये कुछ मतलब मैं साथ में वो देख रहा हूँ. एंड इफ आई से अबाउट द क्राफ्ट, देन he is a magician. I mean, he has so many tricks in his bag that, oh my god, you just give him a problem, he'll solve it with this. You just give him another problem, he'll solve it with that. And the thing that really stayed with me was, it looks like he is not prepared, but he has prepared so much that now it has reached to the most realistic and natural level. So he will come up, and the spontaneity with preparation is something I really, really admire. And even if I can achieve that, like 1% or 5% of that, it will be mind blowing.
And I believe you have a theatre background.
No, yes, I'm from theatre background.
Tell us something about how you started off.
I'm basically an engineer. So since my engineering days, I used to go to Prithvi Theatre a lot. So Prithvi Theatre is like my alma mater. So there I used to attend different festivals. And luckily, when I first started attending that year, the festival was Pandit Satyadev Dubey's tribute. So that festival, Mr. Satyadev Dubey sir has chosen every single play and curated the entire list. And I got to watch every single known theatre group in Mumbai. So I watched Nasiruddin Shah sir on stage. I watched all these Hamlet, The Crown Prince, and all these plays which were going on at that time. And I watched Shakkar Ke Paanch Dane by Mano Kaul sir. So later I worked with Mano Kaul sir. So that was my beginning, and that was my entry point to theatre. Then I also helped Prithvi Theatre promote that festival. We did Nukkad Natak. in 11 different locations in Mumbai. And then I joined more groups. We have a group called Theatre Wala with whom I keep on doing different plays. So that has been the theatre journey. And then I attended different workshops by theatre professionals, Thespo festivals, all of this. Sir. So basically out and out in Mumbai, but that was my journey for theatre.
And I believe your first film was Drive.
Yes, Drive with Dharma. Yes.
Right. And how was that experience?
That experience was that was my first time on a film set. So I was looking forward to that, and all my scenes were with Pankaj Tripathi sir, Baman Irani sir, and Vibha Chibbar ma'am. So जब मैंने उनके साथ पहली बार सीन किए तो ये हर किसी का जो मेथोडोलॉजी है वो थोड़ा थोड़ा अलग है, तो वो मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्सपीरियंस था. That Baman sir actually called us, made like a circle of chairs and made us sit in that circle. So we just did a theater rehearsal basically just before our shot. At the same time, Pankaj Tripathi sir is so good with improvisations that he doesn't like to rehearse much. So with him, it was all spontaneity. So for me, it was like, oh my God, this acting school, this acting school, this acting school. It was almost like that. So yeah, very different experience, and at the same time, different ways of working, which I really, really enjoyed.
Now, do you have this apprehension that considering this role of yours in Family Man season 2 has really clicked so much? Similar sort of roles will be coming your way in a way, because many a times slotting takes place.
Yeah.
Because this character has become so big.
Yeah. हुआ है, but at the same time I am very grateful and fortunate कि उसके बाद जो 2-3 calls मुझे आए हैं, they are of different characters. They are like diametrically opposite characters, because there are people, क्योंकि what happened even before I played role of Tanmay, the roles I had played till then were nothing like Tanmay. So they have chosen me on the basis of maybe acting abilities or whatever they felt that he might suit the character or something like that. So I'm extremely grateful and fortunate that I am still getting those different kinds of role. And of course, I will be looking forward to maybe a role which is nowhere similar to maybe the space or of the character or stuff. But yeah, there are certain people who will directly cast you and directly want to cast you in like a corporate setup. But let's see. I mean, I'm open to both. If the role is good, then I have no problem. But I would, if given my preference, I would definitely like to do something which is not similar to this.
So did you have your audition for this?
Yes, I did. So basically, I got a call from Jimish, who is Mukesh Chhabra's assistant. And there I was called for this role. And he had given me a script, which was basically a 5-page script. So there I had to do the entire scene in one take. So he was like, Kaustubh, इसको एक साथ ही shoot करेंगे और इसको पूरे movement के साथ shoot करेंगे. That you are walking into your office, you're seeing few employees who are there just wasting time. You tell them to go to their work. Then you go inside to Srikanth. Then he's sitting there in conference room for his review. So we shot the entire thing of 3-4 minutes. I don't remember, 3.5 minutes, शायद 4 minutes का take होगा. So वो पूरा हुआ, and that we did पूरा movement के साथ. We did 2-3 variations of that, and it was really good fun. And that time, sir, luckily Family Man 1 hadn't even released, so I didn't know what Family Man was. So that was a very different experience, just knowing that Manoj sir is doing a web series, and I was sold on that idea that whatever it is, even if it's my 1 second presence there, I want to do it. So when they said कि आपका selection हो गया, that time I was like, this is it.
Even the interview scene,
Yeah.
the guy is so patronizing. कि मैं सिखा दूं.
Yeah.
He's so patronizing that उम्र हो गई है, and all that stuff, that will मुश्किल होता है. But लेकिन ये है कि you're so lucky that I'll be around to just train. Just absolutely.
No, sir, to add more like an interesting anecdote to this, we had 3-4 more lines. और उस लाइन में जो उमर का जो आपने बोला सर, ये उमर की जो बात है, इसको हमने और थोड़ा विस्तृत तरीके से बताया था. तो हमने वो 3-4 लाइन्स अभी कम कर दिए. सो अभी वो मेकर्स ने उसको रिलीज नहीं किया, तो मैं लाइन्स बता नहीं सकता. बट देयर वर दीज लाइन्स एंड देयर वर 3-4 मोर लाइन्स इन दैट सीन. सो जो आपने बोला सर, उसी से रिलेटेड वो था. और
more provocative maybe.
Yeah, a little more provocative. So we were like कि पता नहीं, क्योंकि जो लास्ट का भी जो पार्ट था ना, वो एक्चुअल स्क्रिप्ट में था नहीं. वो इम्प्रोवाइजेशन मुझे उस दिन क्लिक हुआ. जो कॉपी करने वाली जो सो कॉल्ड लोग बात कह रहे हैं वुल्फ ऑफ वॉल स्ट्रीट से, इट्स बेसिकली तन्मय who has maybe watched Wolf of Wall Street or something like that, and he gets a new funda every time from wherever, like a book or something. So we added that little bit chunk. तो शायद उस चक्कर में हो या टाइम लिमिटेशंस के हिसाब से हो, वो पहले के 3-4 लाइंस कट हो गए, बट ये लास्ट का पूरा ऐड हो गया उसके. And so I showed that in one rehearsal to Manoj sir. Manoj sir is like, you go ahead, do whatever you want, and I will just respond. So he's that spontaneous. He's like, stage is yours, use it. And at the same time, DK sir जो थे, उनको भी improvisation काफी पसंद आया. He's like, we'll keep it, we will not hum it, we will just give the beats. तो ऐसा करके हमने इसको मिक्स एंड मैच करके थोड़ा इनपुट इधर से ऐसा करके इसको पूरा एक बनाया. और फिर वो एंड में उसका वो जो क्लाइमैक्स होता है कि दैट्स गुड माय बॉय और ही वॉक्स अप. सो इट वाज लाइक दैट. या Hi, this is Kaustubh Kumar. You're watching me on Bollywood Hungama. Do subscribe.